The theme for your first stakeout is Nacho platter.
Yes!
Now in this round, you're shopping blind. You can't look into anybody's bags until after you've bought them. You have 45 minutes to shop and cook, and your time starts right now. All right!
$80 for these girls.
$80 cold hard cash.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Sausage meat. Oh, that's awesome. Mushrooms. Oh, tomatoes and avocado for my nacho with onion. I got some eggs. Nice.
120, sir. You have an amazing day. I got chips for my nachos. I got some mac and cheese. Oh, I got some tomato sauce I might be able to use for a sauce. Ah, bingo, bing, 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 bing.
Here's $150 I'll give you right now for your groceries, yeah.
All right.
Excellent. Unsalted peanut butter. Got wonton skins. Got tofu. Thank you, sweet baby Jesus.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it.
Good luck.
I got English muffins. I got milk, cupcakes. I think I'll be eating these eggs. And I got fruit pie. I'm missing everything.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
See you later.
See you later, D.
Oh, chips. Thank you, baby Jesus. That is awesome. I got salsa. Salsa. That's gonna work out great. And then I got cat food.
80. Here you go.
Yay! 3, 2, 1. We're done! All right! Chef Jack, tell us what you made.
We have here Jack's Junkie Nachos.
Junkie?
We got some beef marinated in a little sauce. We got cheese, avocado, and all Jack's extra spice.
It definitely looks like nachos. Tastes is solid, but definitely need a little more heat. And for me, a little salt.
I have to say, this is a nacho platter. When you think of nachos, I mean, this is like indulgent junk food that you want to go for. Freshness from avocado. And I love the specks of bacon through there. There's like a nice smokiness. I do just wish there was more cheese sauce.
Chef, tell us what you made.
All right, so we have tofu wonton peanut butter nachos. The filling is tofu scramble, and then I actually made a cheese sauce with almond milk and peanut butter.
You're the vegan chef, correct?
I am, yeah, I'm totally plant-based.
Did you manifest all these ingredients?
I did, yeah, I was visualizing before I got here.
This is so dynamic. It's so far removed from what we think nachos are, but it feels like nachos.
Tell us what you made with your half a bag of groceries.
So what I've made for you today is a dessert nacho with a pastry cream and a chocolate apple crumble.
The flour tortilla is brilliant. It's beautiful, it's perfectly crisp. The streusel that you made is a really smart idea of the toppings that would be on a nacho.
It almost comes together like cobbler-ish.
Yes.
So like a cobbler on a chip.
Yeah.
It definitely works.
Hi, Chef.
Hi, Chef.
Tell us what you made.
So what I made was a breakfast nacho with fresh ground sausage and a brown butter fried egg. Avocado as well.
I mean, it looks like a plate of nachos.
Yes. The taste is very, very good, man. But I wish you would have done a little more with the salsa. Maybe even added some of these fresh tomatoes. Dice them up, you know, use some of the juice.
Yeah.
All right, chefs, so the judges have tasted your dishes, made a decision, and one of you will be leaving this glorious parking lot.
The chef whose dish was least successful is ML. I'm so sorry. It really did come down to the execution of that pastry cream.
Darn pastry cream.
Now, things are gonna get just a little bit tougher in this round, because this time you can only purchase groceries from one shopper. No going back. But there is a bit of good news, because I will let you look through the bags first.
All right.
Thank you.
The theme for your second stakeout will be retro goes modern.
All right.
You guys have 45 minutes to shop and cook, and your time starts now.
Can I give you 180 for this card?
You want to?
Please. Please,
Yes,
mommy
let's do
to
it,
mommy.
let's do it.
Thank you. Cha-ching.
Dang.
You have made my day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Missed that one.
I definitely want this chicken. Got cheeses, all types of cheese. Where was she last round when I needed all this cheese, child? I got some peppers, onions, and sauce. I don't know what to do with this, but this is going down right there.
Deal? Awesome. Thank you so much. Hey, see you later. Green onions, more onions. I got salmon. Brussels sprouts. Yep, that's my favorite. I like that. Sour cream, syrup. Ooh, I love syrup. Put it in my hair. Green peas. Amazing capsules. Ooh.
180, I can do that. Here you
Fantastic.
go.
I thank you so much,
Thank you
sir.
so much. We got some pistachios. I know I can use these to make something plant-based. We got some green onions, some cheese, bread, some salted French butter, bacon, and steak, and a cucumber.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right.
Done.
All right.
Done.
Chef Jack, take us on a trip down memory lane.
Well, today I did a chicken cordon bleu with a side of ratatouille, but I modernized it by stuffing it with some Monterey Jack cheese, some pepper Genoa salami, and instead of covering it in ham, I covered it in bacon because everything's better with bacon.
I see the layers. It looks like a chicken cordon bleu. It's not the prettiest of plates that I've seen, but hey.
So for me, I don't know if this is a modern take. I feel like it's a very literal take. That being said, I was really worried that the chicken wasn't gonna be cooked all the way, but it's actually cooked really nicely.
King of all the steaks in the world, tell us what you made.
All right, so chefs, for you, I have a classic American egg breakfast sandwich. I veganized it to make it modern, and instead of eggs, we're using pistachios.
This is definitely a modern sandwich. It's dynamic, the texture's incredible, the flavor is just out of this world, but I'm not seeing the retro connection.
It's not giving me breakfast sandwich vibes, but it tastes amazing, bro.
Thank you, chef.
Well, tell us what you made.
I did a modern approach on a diner salmon with fried Brussels sprouts and an au pois sauce.
What do you think
amazing.
about the way it looks? Does it conjure up images of 1982 or 2020?
I feel like maybe 2004. Your salmon was cooked perfectly, my brother. And the char you had on those Brussels sprouts really took it to a next level.
It brought me back to all the diners on the East Coast that I've eaten in, and it's like this classic vegetable, some kind of puree, and like a really nice piece of salmon. So I thought that was very fun and very playful. The lentils are the hard part for me because they're undercooked.
All right, chefs, the judges have tasted your food, reached a decision, and now it's time for someone to leave the parking lot.
The chef that had the least successful dish is Chef Jack. Chef Jack, your dish was very literal. We didn't really see the modern take.
For this round, you can buy groceries from as many shoppers as you like. Rifle through their bags, but you can only purchase 5 items.
I'm ready.
Definitely.
Yep.
The theme for the final round is sweet and salty,
Yes.
All right.
and your time starts right now.
Can I buy these for $20?
Yeah, I'm good.
Awesome. I know that those herbs could help balance out the sweetness of my dish.
You know what? Can I buy these cake cookies from you?
Yep.
How much? Can I get $10 for them?
Yep, sure.
Cake cookies are a sweet ingredient. I'm sure I could find a way to make it work.
There you go. All right, I got my ingredients. I know I just made her day. We got some raspberries, blackberries, got some blueberries, some fresh herbs, and oranges. All right, so I'm gonna try to make a quick berry compote. And then I think I'm gonna try to bake savory biscuits as a cookie.
You got milk? Can I buy that gallon of milk off you? I'll give you $10 for it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I've got some cookies, fresh berries. I got a cheesecake. I got blueberries. I got milk.
3, 2, 1. That's it. Tell us what you made.
I made a golden milk ice cream sandwich with berry compote. I was able to get fresh blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, oranges, fresh herbs, and some coconut milk ice cream.
The golden milk color of that cookie, I thought was just really pleasing aesthetically.
It's so vibrant looking.
Really vibrant looking. You've amazed me all day. Cooking with olive oil, usually it can get very overwhelming and you can taste that flavor. Somehow, it's just like the perfect amount of fat so that there's a creaminess to the inside of the cookie.
What I made for you today is a deconstructed chocolate strawberry shortcake with a salted crumble, a cheesecake sauce, and a blueberry compote. I bought milk, cheesecake, strawberries, blueberries, cookies, and fresh mint.
I have to say, your dish is very artfully plated.
Thank you, chef.
I love when negative space plating works. I want to use the space to take that beautiful cheesecake puree along with that crumbling of cookies and scoop up the minted strawberries. Berries are hard to kind of inject with flavor, and you manage to season these strawberries to the core.
And the winner is Chef Rouge.